how to pay with debit card on Google Pay. Hello friends, hello family, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can pay with your debit card on Google Pay. Now, how do you go about it? The first step is for you to launch the application on your mobile phone, and then once you've launched the application, you must note that in order to pay with your debit card, you have to add your debit card as a payment method on Google Pay. And how do you do this? On the home page, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on the profile icon. Then in the box size displayed, ensure you select payment methods, then select payment card. All right, so by selecting payment card, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to add your card details such as your card number, your CVV, and your expiration date. Now, I am not allowed to share this. That is why my screen was dark. But for you, enter in your details, save the card, and once the card has been saved to your Google Pay account, anytime you want to make payment, you can just log into the application and then you'll be able to make payments through that debit card. So what do? Ensure you had your debit card today, and payments will be easily done through this particular card of yours. So thank you for watching and have a good day.